Hello everyone, and I think that or it might have been dead or fainted. It's laying on the ground and next to the bed. Its eye is still open and it's not moving. It was just like laying on its back. With its eye was only a bit open. So and there was a baby seagull, and it did fall from its nest. So, and I did feed it something like a sausage roll, and it ate the sausage roll, and it's been here for a few days, and now it's like on the ground like that. So please pray for it because I love seagulls. Whoever's watching this and thinks that they're all stealing food, is like as how you would do if you were a seagull. Yeah. And pray for the seagull, please. Pray. Bye bye. Keep safe and have a lovely time. Yeah, you can hear the seagulls. It's sad. So bye bye.